van die stad, hoor ek die mure praat, van rieme in die tronk, van niemand ooit verraai. My broer is nie verlore nie, hy leef daar binne vas. Maar elke waarheid wat ek vind, sny dieper as glas. Ek dra die wet in my hand, maar my hart ken sy naam. Tussen bloed en geregtigheid staan ek alleen in die vlam. Ek moet kies, familie of die wet. Wie beskerm ek as die waarheid my verset? In hierdie oorlog is daar nowhere safe. Ek sal veg vir my bloed, whatever it takes. As geregtigheid my breek, laat dit breek. Want my familie is die een ding wat ek soek. Elke deur wat oopgaan, bring 'n nuwe geheim. Elke broer dra wonde wat niemand ooit kan sien. Die waarheid het 'n prys en ek betaal dit vanaand. Met bloed op my hande en die wet in my hand. Wie is die monster, wie is nog rein? In 'n wêreld vol leuns kan niemand vry wees nie.
This is Popcorn and Tracks, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the series Umthetho. The track is called Tussen Bloed en Reg. Umthetho is a gripping South African crime thriller that follows a young public prosecutor whose world is shattered when she is pulled into a brutal prison syndicate led by the brother she thought she had lost. Forced to choose between justice and family, law and survival, the series dives deep into betrayal, loyalty, corruption, and the dangerous grey area between right and wrong. With its dark, tense, and emotionally charged atmosphere, Umthetho premiered on August 14, 2026, and is streaming exclusively on Netflix. Until the next story, keep listening, keep watching, and keep discovering. This is Popcorn and Tracks, where every story has